Hello. Today we will show you how MeshInspector allows you to open STL files, preview and modify them. In this context, MeshInspector is your go-to option, available both offline and online under our free plan. First, under the Home section, we click Open Files, browse to the location of our file, and open it with a double click or the Upload button. You can upload multiple models at once from any folder. Open it. Select all what you need and click on Upload. Finally, MeshInspector can work with entire archives, quickly and conveniently extracting all the is stored in them. To merge several elements, select all of them. Right-click and choose Group. Then select the entire group. Right-click again, and choose Combine Subtree. After that, you can preview the resulting model from all angles. Want to rotate? Just hold the left mouse button or slide one finger on your touchpad and move. Want to pan? Just hold the right mouse button or slide two fingers on your touchpad to locate your model anywhere you like in the scene. Want to zoom? Just scroll the mouse wheel or pinch on your touchpad to get closer or farther. For tilting, hold Ctrl, press and hold the mouse button or touchpad, and move the cursor. In terms of the size, go to Inspect and activate our bounding box. You will see all the dimensions. With the scaling bar and transformation to drag, adjust the size. Do not forget to save the results by clicking the checking box. Note how the volume of your model changes too and gets finalized. Along with that, you can check the mesh quality by going to Mesh Repair and choosing Mesh Healer. Our solution will be quick to find everything affecting the quality of your mesh: disconnected parts, holes, self-intersections, flip normals, zero-area triangles, small tunnels, thin walls, and undercuts. You are free to scan the STL file for all possible issues or focus on specific ones by ticking and unticking any checkbox. Then, simply launch the healing operation, just like we do. Speaking of further inspection, you are free to measure distance between various points. For that, go to Inspect. Then choose Measure Distance and click on Points of Interest. Note that you can view not only the 3D distance, but also distances in X, Z, and Y projections. That's it. As you can see, you can both view STL files and inspect them in depth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and product updates. Feel free to download MeshInspector for free or open the web version using the links in the description below.